Home Assistant is back with some new feature releases for September. Now, Home Assistant has been making significant changes towards the dashboard view. Last month, they released the ability to resize cards using the layout option. Now, in this release, you can not only resize cards, but you can change the width of your sections. On editing the sections, you have this width option to increase the width of the sections. Once you save it, you now have a wider section. This means you can get more grid columns in the layout tab of individual cards. So this allows bigger cards to be fit into the sections if you wish to do so. Now back in April, Home Assistant introduced energy graphs for individual devices. Now in this release, you will get to see untracked energy that is consumed by devices that are not configured in your Home Assistant. Now to see this untracked energy, you have to make sure that the whole house energy consumption is configured in electricity grid section, your solar panel section, etc. In this way, Home Assistant uses the total energy used by your home and the individual devices to figure out the untracked energy. Next, we also have some new integrations, for example, an integration for NICE for garage doors and gates, SM Lite for Zigbee Ethernet adapters, and a few more integrations. Now in this release, we have a template helper for numbers that can be configured from the UI. We can create a helper with some state, minimum value, maximum value, and step count. We then can set an action such that when the value changes, the action gets invoked to use this value. On saving this, you can now change this slider and the changed value can be used in the action. Now let's look at some of the noteworthy changes. You can now install and configure MQTT broker right from the integrations page. Once you select add integration and select MQTT, it will now ask you to install the official add-on or configure it manually. You then select this option and then this will install MQTT add-on and configure it for you. You no longer need to install it separately via the add-ons page. So these were some of the major updates in the upcoming release. Now all these changes that I have shown are based on the beta release of Home Assistant, so there may be some changes in the final release. Now I keep on making videos around how you can make things smart at home. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button for more such videos to come. Now if you want to support this channel, there are links into the video description wherein you can buy me a coffee or you can support me via Patreon. Till then, take care and I will see you in my next one.